Hello friends, I am Avinash Patil. Welcome all of you on Vidya Bharati Pathshala. Before starting today's poem, I would like to share some ideas with you. Friends, there are so many things in our surroundings. We all know they have their own importance. In our surroundings, there are so many valuable things. We can say trees is one of the most important thing which we see in our surroundings. It has their importance. It's a very valuable. It's very important for all of us. So, in this poem, the poet tells us about the trees, and he uses the word kindest trees. So, what is the kindest trees? Why the poet uses this word towards the trees, for the trees? Because trees gives us so many valuable things. Trees gives us fruits, leaves, wood, oxygen. It's very important thing for all of us, for all of human beings, which is given by the tree without any cost. So, my friends, trees are very kindest things, I know. This is a poem written by a well-known poet, Harry Bed. So, before starting this poem, start from warming up activity. So, let us start. Let us study warming up activity. Hello friends, before starting the poem, trees are the kindest things I know. We are going to study, or we are going to learn a warming up activity which is given here. So let us start warming up activity. We are discussing about the questions which is given here in warming up activity. First question is like that: when do you receive gifts? Then we can say, I receive gifts on my birthday and also when I get good marks in examination. In this way we can give the answer of this question. Then second one, do you like to give gifts? Yes, absolutely yes. If we like to receive gifts, we should like to give gifts to others. The next question, from whom do you get gifts? From whom do you get gifts? Then we say, I get gifts from my parents, relatives, friends and neighbors. Next question, what is the best gift that you have ever received? Which is the best gift you have received? So we must think about our gifts, and then after thinking you can give the answer. Just like I have received a wristwatch on my 12th birthday from my uncle who stays in the USA. It was the best gift that I have ever received. The next, number 5, why is it special for you? It is special for me because my uncle and I have a good bonding. My uncle loves me a lot and it is a token of his love, so it is special for me. So in this way we can discuss about the questions which is given here. Now another question is here, what gifts do trees give to mankind? Which kind of gifts given by trees for human beings? We can say trees give the following gifts to the mankind. They give the breath of life. They maintain the balance of nature. They provide sweet fruits. They help to bring rain, which is essential for living being on the earth. And they give shelter to mankind. Then next second question, second A, name the parts of a tree that begin with. Here three letters are given, B, F and T. And now with the beginning of these letters we should write the names of the parts of the trees. For B, we can say branches and bark, boughs. For F, there is fruits, flutes or flower, and for T, there is trunk and tree top. Next B question. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now try to guess what is the season in the months given below. Now we guess which season is in the following months. Number 1, March, April and May. In these 3 months there is a spring season, June, July, August summer, September, October and November autumn, and last one December, January and February there is winter. Now third question, an artist paints pictures using colors. A poet writer can also paint pictures in your mind, imagination by using descriptive phrases. For example, blue sky, soft white clouds, floating clouds, etc. In this way, we can describe, or with the help of our imagination, we make various kinds of phrases. Now write down 4 such phrases which describe anything beautiful in nature. Now with the help of your imagination skill, you can use phrases for describing beautiful nature. So for the stream we can say jewel blue. While describing beach, we make a phrase flax gold. Nut brown is using for forest, and for fields parsley green. We use such kind of phrases for describing beautiful nature. Next, now we are going to study extract number 1, which is given here. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new buds of green. In this extract, poet told us so many things which is given by the trees, and so poet tells us trees are very kindest things for mankind, for human beings. Now with the help of this stanza, we can solve the following activities. There is activity number 1, simple factual activity. Pick from the extract lines that create a picture in your mind. Now with the help of this extract, we pick out the lines which describe a picture in your mind. So there are two lines. First is like, and spread a shade for sleepy cows. This line creates a picture in our mind. And second one, and leaves to burn on Halloween. Then activity number 2, complex factual activities. Pick out the lines that mean the following. Here 4 sentences are given, and while reading these sentences, or after reading these sentences, we choose a line for perfect matching through this extract. Number 1, trees provide shelter for animals, means the line which is matching in the poem is, and spread a shade for sleepy cows. Second sentence, trees provide food for all, they give us fruit in leaves above. Third one, trees are most lovable, means the lines which tells the meaning of this sentence is, trees are the kindest things I know. Number 4, trees live a simple life, they do not harm, they simply grow. Then activity number 3, which is based on poetic device. There are also 2 questions. Number 1, pick from the extract words that rhyme with the following words. Answer number 1, no. For no, there are 2 rhyming words in the extract, no and grow. Second one, now, cow and bow. Number 3, fun. Burn is the rhyming pair for fun. Now second question, find words that describe the following. Now here we should find out the describing words, adjectives for the following words, for the given words through this extract. Number 1, dash cows, sleepy cows. Number 2, kindest things. And number 3, green new birds. Here serially, sleepy, kindest and green, these are describing words. Now next, extract number 2, second extract which is given here. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night, and when a moon floats on the sky. They hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. Here in this extract, the poet expresses or tells us that trees are the first thing who touches the beams of morning sun, and the last one also who hold the light of the dying sun. Before sleeping, going to sleep, children always like to hear lullaby, and in this way trees also sing a lullaby, humming a drowsy lullaby for the children. In this way, trees are very helpful to all the mankinds as well as animals and other things. So, poet says it is very kindest thing. Now, there is activity number 1, simple factual activity. Complete the following sentences. Number 1, dash glow first at sunrise, birds of tree. Number 2, trees sing dash for small kids. Yes, absolutely right. Here a lullaby is the right answer. Number 3, trees hold the light dash when evening change into night. And last one, the poet knows that trees are the kindest things. Activity number 2, complex factual activity. Pick out lines that mean the following. Kinds love to listen to songs from trees. And for this line, we can say they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Second sentence, trees are the kind. Yes, the title of the poem, Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know, is the correct answer. Now, activity number 3, activity based on poetic devices. Number 1, pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. Rhyming pairs, rhyming words. Number 1, fun. And for fun, there are 2 words which is rhyme, begun and sun. Number 2, sight, light and night, fly, sky and lullaby. Then another question which is given here in poetic device, find examples of personification from the extract. Here is the figure of speech personification. Find examples of personification from the extract. Here is the figure of speech personification. Now we can say holding light is the example of personification. Then humming lullaby, moon floats and touching the beams. These are the examples of personification. Next, language study. Fill in the table of degrees of comparison. Here is the table, incomplete table, and we will try to complete it. There are 3 kinds of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. In positive degree, there is the adjective, root word is there. Then in comparative degree, we with the help of suffix, with the help of er suffix, we make comparative degree. Sometimes we use more before the word, and then superlative degree we use est or sometimes before the word most is there. Now number 1, dash and superlative degree kindest. With the help of this word kindest, we have complete. Kindest, positive word is kind and comparative is kinder. Then second one, healthy, healthier and healthiest. If there is the last word is y, then we remove it, and instead of y we should use I and then er and est. Next, near, nearer, nearest. Number 4, fine, finer, finest. Here if there is last word, last letter e, then we only use r and est for comparative and superlative. Then next, early, earlier, earliest. Next, small, smaller, smallest. Fast, faster, fastest. High, higher, highest. Next, appreciation of the poem. With the help of this poem, we can say, it's given below. First point, the title of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. Second one, the poem is written by Harry Bain. Number 3, the poem has dash stanzas, 8 stanzas. Each stanza has 2 lines. Each stanza has 2 lines. Then number 4, the lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and second. Number 5, the poet compares trees with things he knows. And number 6, and they are the words repeated in the poem. And last one, the line I shall always remember is, trees are the kindest things I know. So friends, in this way we have studied 1.3, trees are the kindest things I know. Thanks for watching my video.